Hello and welcome to Spanish Basics. In this module, I'll be speaking to you about family. Now we'll begin with a slide on family members, and then we'll follow that with a slide on family conversation. I'm going to review each of these family members with you, starting in the upper left, so follow along with me. Parents is los padres, father is el padre, mother is la madre, son is el hijo, daughter is la hija, brother is el hermano, little brother is el hermanito, sister is la hermana, little sister is la hermanita, husband is el esposo or el marido, wife is la esposa or la mujer, grandfather is el abuelo, grandmother is la abuela, older is el or la mayor, younger is el or la menor. Uncle is el tío, aunt is la tía, grandson is el nieto, granddaughter is la nieta, male cousin is el primo, female cousin is la prima, nephew is el sobrino, niece is la sobrina, great-grandfather is el bisabuelo, great-grandmother is la bisabuela. Relatives is either los parientes or los familiares. Father-in-law is el suegro, mother-in-law is la suegra. A male orphan is el huérfano. A female orphan is la huérfana. Now, this slide contains some common family conversation. So let's start at the top. How many brothers do you have? ¿Cuántos hermanos tiene usted? Notice the word do is not translated. Now, how many sisters do you have? ¿Cuántas hermanas tiene usted? Notice the gender agreement in the sentence. Now, John is the older son. Juan es el hijo mayor. Anne is the youngest daughter. Ana es la hija menor. Peter is my brother. Pedro es mi hermano. Jane is my little sister. Juana es mi hermanita. Now, we're done with this module, but I'd like to review with you a refrain. Donde hay humo, hay calor. Where there's smoke, there's fire. I want to thank you for watching Spanish Basics. Muchas gracias. Hasta luego.